Weather Service in League City has issued a flash flood warning for Harris County in southeastern Texas until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:48 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 3 to 4 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include northern Missouri City, Bel Air, Humble, West University Place, Jersey Village, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Spring Valley, Greater Heights, Spring Branch North, Memorial Park, North Side, or North Line, Afton Oaks, or River Oaks area, Spring Branch West, near North Side Houston, Aldine, Greenway, or Upper Kirby area, Greater Greenspoint and Nartown, or Montrose. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.